My cheapo plastic bag-o worked-o. Transformers, activate. I should wear a glove.
It's too late.
It is too late.
Adam, please don't look at me like up yet. Just don't. I'm gonna walk away.
You're gonna go straight, bro.
I can't.
Come on, 2K19 planking challenge. Straight, leg straight, leg straight, leg straight.
I can't.
Put your arms up. What's wrong with your arms?
They
Lift
don't.
them.
They don't know. You fucking.
I'm helping.
Break my shoulder.
I'll break your neck.
Ah! We're good. Do I have enough fiberglass?
I was gonna say, do you have enough resin? Is that all full of resin?
That's 4 litres.
Oh, beautiful!
4 litres. Do you reckon I've got enough?
Do you have to mix that? Is that a 2-part?
Catalyst.
Is that will do 4 litres?
I don't know. I don't even.
So what have we got? What's the product? Give us some info.
Oh well, you know the specs. So you've got your resin, you got your catalyst, and then your itchy boys. Oh shit!
Catalyst down. Catalyst down.
Guess how much is in here?
I would say
Can I guess?
No.
queen size bed.
Has that measurements? not 5 meters by 5 meters, but queen size bed.
Yeah. Guess how much?
4x4?
Huh?
4x4?
Yeah, he reckons.
4x4.
Yeah, he reckons a double.
Nah. 2
Can I
meters.
guess?
No.
Yeah.
I told you before.
Single bed, mate.
2 meters. I don't know what
My feet
that
would be
is.
cold on that.
What's a queen bed?
4x4.
You are not 2 meters high.
No, I'm not.
lying.
I'm under.
Yeah.
Just.
So, I bought some more fiberglass in bulk, resin in bulk, so if we run out, we're doing something wrong. Very wrong.
Or we're doing something right. If we run out, we've completed the mod.
They're finished.
Pat's beat the final boss.
Alright,
Alright.
they can go to the side. This has been drying.
No, I think this is add-ons to the other weekend.
Oh, I forgot about the intro. Don't worry about it. I'll do it next week.
Yeah. Welcome back.
Did this last week. So it's been a week drying. I can't remember. I think there's 2 layers on this, 1 layer on this one. So I was thinking during the week. I had a lot of thinking time. It's pretty soft still. Not soft, but flimsy. While I was doing it, actually, there must have been some holes which the resin fell through, so it's going to be a cunt to pull off. I mean, it's going to be a prick to pull off. But they're pretty thin, so we should be able to work with it. And what I was thinking during the week, I'm going to pull these off and then wrap a couple more layers on top while it's off, so it minimises the destruction that I'm going to make. Not going to come off. Ah, that's sharp. When it's not going to break.
Oh, the pretty.
Let's see if my method works of plastic bags. Ooh! We've got a working side here. Oh! Oh! Look at that. Look, no stickiness. Look, my fingers are under it. Oh, and I was thinking, before I mould it to the car, I'm going to fill it up with just Expando foam so it has a bit of strength in it. So it's not hollow after I mould it to the guard.
You've got a lot of thinking time, mate.
Yeah.
It's working. Ah! It's a bit too sharp, man.
That's twice. What?
What do you want, Ricky? Get out of here.
Whoa! Nah, that's a weak spot. We're good. See, I've engineered a weak spot in it? No, I didn't.
I just hope like hell.
It fucking worked!
Oh, it almost didn't.
Easy, easy. Take your
Can
time, bro.
Can we get a cutter?
A cutter?
Yeah, cutter.
Let me just pull my...
Oh, that smell.
Ah, it's sticky.
It worked!
Something touched me.
It worked!
I'm not crazy.
I think it worked.
Can I get a pay rise?
Do you think it worked? That's actually fairly strong, bro. For
That's only, this is only one layer, yeah?
that's one.
That's
sure?
one. That's one layer. Look, one layer.
Yeah, I can get around that. It's a bit how you going.
That's two.
There's no structure.
That's
But
two
here,
layers.
yeah, pretty solid, mate.
Yeah. It worked. My cheapo plastic bago worked though.
This is it's like the second time on Project Drive where something's worked.
Bullshit.
You know,
Everything works. Give it a good pat for good luck.
Yeah. I think we're good. Let's just send it. Just do it.
That's it.
I've lost the fiberglass. So. This is 2 meters.
Is that stuff expensive, bro?
It's sticky.
It is? Is it sticky?
No, it's just because of my
Oh.
hands from the mold. Oh, I'm not even going to open that up. That is so thick.
Yeah, there's a lot, bro.
Yeah, there's 2 meters by like 100. I'm 30.
You look
growing
like you
hair.
had a fight for porcupine.
But this, so 2 meters of this, the 4 liters of resin cost me $160. That was like in bulk. Which, if I kept on going the path that I did last week with like just the little shit from Super Cheap Auto,
With this guy here.
yeah, so that
Little
was,
DIY kit.
that was $30.
$30 and that's what you get in there. Which is alright. Like if you're doing little stuff, that's
Yeah.
fine. Like little patch up jobs, I guess that's what it's more for. Like this is big boy stuff, making your own mold out of a Supra side skirt.
No, what I did, I grabbed this. Is there a blade?
Yeah, I reloaded it.
And what I went.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's an easy way, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe give it another nick, mate.
Shit. Just fucking grip it.
Beautiful.
So,
Got a couple sheets there.
yeah, let's measure that.
Is this thicker than the other one?
It looks a little bit
It
thicker,
looks, yeah.
but it's a lot more flakier. The other one kind of stayed together.
Hmm.
So that's that one. Yeah, it's kind of the right length. Cool, that's all I need. I can pack this.
Yeah, there's enough to wrap around and stuff. Oh, yeah. Should be plenty. But you gotta remember as well, guys, these are only the... How would I say it? These pieces here are actually going to get molded onto like his skirts.
Yeah,
so like these aren't like the final product or anything. They're going to have to be trimmed down. But like where this mold finishes, then he's going to put more fiberglass
Molding it
and then
to the
mold
skirt.
that to the actual skirt on the car. So he's still got like a bunch of work. Don't get me wrong, but this is the first step. So like obviously he's going to mold it into here and do whatever, and then clean it all up and then paint it up. And should look all pretty, so it'll be a lot more rigidity and strength once it's all together. And then what do you normally just, I guess, use like filler to fill up all the holes and stuff, or do you have to use some special?
No, filler's fine.
Yeah.
Just give it a buzz with you'll see me doing it. Yeah, just give it a buzz with sandpaper so it's got something to stick to, and just bog.
And you can just use.
I'll probably use fiberglass filler because it adds a bit more strength to
That
it.
is that like it's the same as bog, but it's got fiberglass thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly right. So I worked it out. I couldn't find online how to mix this, but I found something deep in the ocean. So what was it? Every litre, I need 10 mil of this, so it's like what, a 1 to 10?
Correct. It's a 10 to 1 ratio.
Something. I'm trying my best to not have brain failure.
So 1 part of that, 10 parts of that.
Yeah, correct. So we've got a 250 mil hat, and what we need to do is 2.5 mil of this into 250 mil of that.
That's it.
Colby.
And then you pour it on his head. I'm going the wrong way because the camera's like in. There we go. You put him in. Put Blake in the bucket. Blake is now in the bucket. Shake it. I would not do that.
That would have ruined my fucking week.
Weak. I was more worried about it ruining your pocket.
Oh, let's mould my car. Just have a mould on the car.
Get the whole car, and then we'll sit in it. We'll put the seats in it. We got the wheels for it. We got what else we got for it? We got
suspension.
got a rear bumper. That would look authentic. We'll put the diff in there.
That's shook. Pat, you shook?
Huh?
How do these things work?
We're shook. Huh? What do you mean?
I don't know who that was.
Just rip it off. Don't. I can see
I don't know how they work.
That's it. Get it in the groove. Yeah. Don't put your hand there. I can see that going straight through it.
I don't got no grip.
It's a Blake block. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa,
Dude! That nearly hit me in the head. You're like I was using his phone as like a protection.
I'll do it this way.
Damn! What's wrong with you?
What colour do you reckon this one is?
A light grey.
Light grey.
I don't know what colour the other
I'm
one
going
was.
with a purple. I don't know.
Oh
why.
yeah, it was purple, wasn't it?
No, it was blue.
Oh, why did I say light grey then? Shit. It's too late. Bet's already taken.
It'd be good if I could know how to use a fucking screwdriver. That's so blue.
It's blue! Hey, it's not the same colour as the top.
Hey, let's put it in there. Oh, sorry, I need my maps.
I'll give you $10 if you stick your hand in there.
That'd be the dumbest thing I've ever done. No.
Hey, $10 is $10. You could set your pants on fire or
Oh my
something.
god.
Don't.
How am I supposed to do this?
Don't. Get a bottle or anything. Do it. Don't do it. What's wrong with you?
It'll fall.
Have you not seen me every time I've put oil in my car that way? It just went
How am I
straight.
supposed to do it?
Well, we have funnels. That might be one option. I'm just saying, there's a pretty blue one up there to match. Look, I'm going to zoom in because we have that feature. Look, right there. Right there, Blake. Blake, get the funnel.
It's not. It'll do the same thing.
I'll help you. I'll hold the funnel. You pour it in. Thinking.
It'll just do the same thing.
I love this zoom feature, bro.
Fuck me. Whoa! Hey, did you fucking see that? Did you see that?
Actually worked pretty good.
Did you see that? I need my mixing spoon. Yeah. Oh, it changes the colour to green. I just spilled it. Look at the colour too. Did you see that colour change?
Yeah. That's how you know it's activated.
Oh, activated. Transformers, activate. I should wear a water glove.
It's too late.
It is too late. No, it's not actually.
It's not.
It's not.
Really not.
It's not late.
It's too late.
I've got no gloves anyway.
Yep.
Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Oh, this is going to go everywhere. Alright, so first things first. I've got to...
Lather.
All over this. Oh, this brush is hard. Look at the colour change. It's green.
It's not the same colour as that shopping bag.
Yeah.
$100% recycle, my friend.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks. Putting plastic bags.
Back in use. Back in use, mate.
Yeah.
Hey, these things are heritage listed now, these bad boys.
Put them up on eBay.
$100. Hey!
Yo, B. That's why it was burning me.
Focus.
Oh, here, hold up. Double tap.
I can't. I'm using it.
Yeah.
Danger. Hey, it's alright. It's organic peroxide.
Vegan.
Drink some. Hey!
Oh, it's
knock,
the same
knock.
day.
No.
I changed clothes.
Yeah, I know.
It's
No,
just-
yeah, have you got a wedding or something?
I've
Very,
got a-
very clean.
I've got a date. No, I don't.
With destiny.
With death.
Hey,
What?
knock, knock.
Who's there?
Do it. Oh!
It's hard, man.
I know, you know-
The same. It was like an hour.
I know. Do you know why?
Why?
Peroxide.
Oh, use gloves with that shit. It burns.
Hey, let's pull it off.
But yeah, let's do it.
I'm not gonna like pull it off, but I'm gonna.
I've got all the tape underneath anyway.
Adam, please don't look at me like up yet. That just don't. I'm gonna walk away. No, he looked up at me really weird. Like,
Okay.
I do stuff here sometimes.
oh yeah, it would
See?
look like
I
it was
sometimes do
definitely look like you're about to do something.
Like,
then
I was
looking
thinking-
up at me
I thought
like
I
that.
broke the fiberglass.
I'm looking down. You're looking up. Is it the right? Yeah. No, just no. And that's why you don't become a stance boy. Stance boy problems. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Hello,
We got lift off.
hello, Bopper. Stance boy problems.
Yeah. We're out. Are we out?
Reef the bitch.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's right. Put the skirt.
Which one?
Oh, you stuck it.
Dude, that looks like you bought that one. Man, look at that fiberglass. Hey!
Hey!
Hey, this one actually is one full one. Because you had plenty of resin.
My plastic bag treatment worked.
Yeah.
Over your head or?
Oh, I still.
Is it dry inside?
Yeah. Oh, it's a little bit sticky, but.
Yeah, but the other one was too.
True. My plastic bag
They're
worked.
different colours, dude. Have you realised that?